Scenes of relief and disbelief unfold at the Port Harcourt Correctional Center as 21 inmates regain their freedom during the official launch of River State's 2025 jail delivery exercise. One case stands out. Gospel Muibari was only 14 years old when he was arrested in 2007. He spent nearly 2 decades behind bars, without trial, without conviction, and with little trace of his case in the system. Now, in his 30s, Gospel walks out of prison into an uncertain world, a symbol of a justice system that for years looked the other way. Presiding over the release, the Chief Judge of Rivers State, Justice Simeon Amadi, says the exercise is rooted in the state's administration of criminal justice law and is specifically targeting prolonged, unjustified detentions.
If proper investigation is done, definitely the correctional center will not be filled up with inmates awaiting trial. The magistrate will continue to come here and discharge those who have overstayed. If the offense they are alleged to have been committed, if they were found guilty, they would have served out their term. So from today, try and change. As you step out of these premises, take a decision that what made me to be here, I will never in my life try it. You can see someone spending 8 years of his life here. That is a wasted life.
The River State Controller of Corrections, Felix Madumere, says the exercise is timely, pointing to severe overcrowding and pressure on the system.
This place is built for 1,800 inmates, but currently they are locking 2,500 and close to 2,600, and it's not a good thing. There's a lot of pressure on the facility. The state should come into the affairs of corrections in the state, put some things in order. They can increase the locking capacity by erecting more buildings. They can increase by creating double bunk beds and foams and beddings for the inmates. They can furnish us with vehicles that will enable us to take these inmates to court, because as their number increasing, the courts are expanding.
Beyond numbers, it's the human stories that hit hardest. Gospel's family had assumed he was dead until 2020, when Haven 360 Foundation, a legal advocacy organization, traced his file during a routine prison audit. His elder brother, Paul Kinani, says the call informing him that Gospel was alive came as both a shock and a blessing.
The story has it that he was brought to prison when he was about 14. When he was 14, of course, he has been 18 years and is having mental issues now. So we are trying to put up a rehabilitative program for him to get him to seek, enable him to seek get the necessary medical intervention that he needs as a foundation. Of course, we're going to be calling for support.
I'm very happy for the administration that invited me to come and release my brother to me. He has spent up to 18 years in prison of no reason since 2007 to this 2025 today.
The judiciary has vowed that the exercise will continue across correctional centers in Ahoda, Degema, and other zones. As the jail delivery exercise continues, it raises a bigger question. How many more, like Gospel Muibari, are locked away, silent and forgotten? For now, his release signals hope. Charles Oporum, Channels Television News.